All right. Apologize for the rough drawing of the floor. Obviously, this is all faded and shaded and ombreed and everything else, but general idea is there. Tree in the middle of the floor. Starting over here in the left corner, I'm thinking kind of pretending like this is almost like an island, the water for this tune. Starting laying on the ground, not sitting, almost sprawled out. Like bodies in the water, especially with the white dresses. I think that'll look right. Kind of hinting at some baptism themes and that kind of stuff every once in a while, but not too overt. Start here on the ground, some soloistic motions in different areas. Maybe one soloist come up here. Lexi, I think. Flag solo from the other side of the tree. Kind of start a idea here of moving down, adding on, duet, continue. The movement idea can come through as we add into the tree. Setting up here, a little ripple here, ripple, 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 leading us to the remaining dancers. They come forward, some dynamic movement here, the best that they can do. I know the 6 of them here. 3 dancers split forward here, become the focus, kind of secondary motion stuff here. Little moment to highlight this flag soloist. This flag soloist stays through the chorus, so this is important to establish an important voice here. We switch flags back here as these 3 pick up rifles, so the flags hand their flag to the other person and then pick up a rifle from the edge. Set up a little quartet of voices here: secondary flag voice, dance voice, rifle voice, and a solo flag. The flag can do some stuff together, but also do something opposing. Start to leave in trios. Once they leave the ensemble phrase, they can do ensemble dance stuff that can be written in canon. A little stationary moment with our 4 flags, dancers, rifles, do-si-do. And then that allows Alexi over here to switch to rifle. Obvious little moment there. We can do a little layered toss sequence, and then leads us to the next part where we start to scoot backwards from the front sideline, maybe add in some sabers, and go from there. So there you go.